Hi everyone, I am Mamta Mittal. Welcome to Art Explorer Academy.
So these are few samples of the birthday tag. So I'm taking my pink chart paper and on top of that I'm going to draw a flower. Like this. So you have to draw a little big flower, okay? So it has around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now cut it. Size of the paper. Size is so you can take 8 centimeter. So you can make a flower of 8 centimeter size. See, the drawing you can do on the back side of the paper so that when you are cutting it, so the front part of the paper is clean. And your pencil or marker impressions are not visible. Okay, so this is my flower. And now I'll just cut a white paper circle. So you can just measure the size like this. We have to make a small circle like this. Okay. So I'm just trying to make a small circle. You can make an oval also. I think circle will be better. I'm just cutting the circle. So try to be a little precise and neat when you're doing the cutting. Okay, so you can just stick it in the center. So now you can just small sparrow and cut it. So this was the base. So you can decorate your base with the whatever material is available at home. Okay, you can decorate it with the buttons also, with the glitter sheet also, and sequin or anything you can use. So you can just stick it here or here. I think here it will be better, like this. So you can just write best wishes from your name. Okay, so this is your birthday tag, gift tag. So you can just stick it on the gift. Okay. Just apply the glue and stick it here like this. So this is one of the tag. So you can use the same tag for the, you can stick it differently. If you don't want to stick, just make a punch here and put a thread and tie it with your gift. Okay, if you want, you can add a string of what you call leaves. So just make 2 leaves, 2 or 3 leaves like this. And just cut it. Your video is a bit blurry. No, I think it is clean. Everybody able to see it properly? So you can just stick a leaf here. Okay, just to add the colors to it, you can stick the leaf. Okay, like this. So this is our first birthday tag. I'm waiting for 5 minutes. Please complete it. Okay, there might be some internet issue, beta. So, and for 5 minutes, then we will move on to the second card. Okay, so done. I think everybody is done. So let's move on and make another birthday tag. So you can just cut a 9 centimeters and 7 by 9. Okay. Seven by 9 centimeter cutting. Okay, and from here you have to just draw. So this circle should come in the center. So what you can do is to make it leveled, you can just make a line here and see whether both are coming on the equal side or not. Okay, so you can just draw a rough line, very light, and in the center one line, and see where your design is coming. Okay, so I'll just correct it a little bit. Like this. So I'm going to, it is not clean. You can see it neatly, clearly. Okay, now I think it is clear to everybody, right? Just cut it. So now what you can do is I'm just going to cut a heart. So I'm just drawing a heart, a little big one. Take plain paper of any different color, contrasting color. So with the green, yellow, pink and blue, all the 3 color goes well. Okay, so you can just stick it here, and at the bottom you can I'm just cutting a white paper so that we can write anything, or you can cut the yellow also. Yellow is also okay. This one is a little big. I'll just make a long cutting. Just take a rectangular strip and you can write so of this size. Okay, so this much should be the size which should fit into your paper. Just cut the triangle on the edges. Like this. Okay, just make a cutting like this and stick on it. See, I'm doing it with whatever chart paper or colored paper I had at home. So you can use the color paper of your choice. Okay, so this is a sample design. I'm showing you how to make the tags at home, birthday tags. So now you can write best wishes and your name. Just write best wishes and you can write your name. Okay, so you can just put a punch here and add the, I'm just going to outline it with the black color. With the black sketch pen or marker. Done with the tag, ma'am. Okay, my voice is breaking, but video is clear, right? You can see what I'm doing. Like this. Okay, so if you want to add the thread, so you can just do a punch here. I'll show you. I don't have the single punch, so I'm just doing it with the pencil. So just put a punch here and add a thread or a ribbon. So I have a pink ribbon over here. So just fold it and put it inside from the back like this. So you can use it as a tag. See, so you can just tie it with the gift box like this. So you can use any color, blue color or any other color ribbon, yellow color. So, okay. So hope all of you are done. So today we have made 2 birthday tags in this session. So I had a fun time. So I will just check for everybody what they have